What's up, Island fam, and welcome back to another video. As y'all can see, we are gonna be making slime today.
Yay!
Now we're gonna be doing glue first. We got all our ingredients here. So first thing, let me open it up for you first.
Glue.
Wait.
What's soap gonna do?
I don't know, but we'll see. So I'm gonna help Mari pour a little bit of it, not a lot because we have to balance it out.
What?
Okay.
Just glue.
Okay, so don't touch anything just yet. You have to use the sticks. You can't use your hand. Yeah, and then you'll get a little bit of it.
Guys.
Okay, enough. And then now, I can get some. Ooh. Now the second step. The second step is gonna be.
Soap.
The second step, guys, is gonna be some soap. I don't know how much. I'm just putting a little bit in for you. Ooh, bubbles.
How the?
And for you.
No.
We'll keep adding as we keep stirring just to see the consistency of it. So now, let's do some shaving cream. Is it open already? Okay, here. We're gonna add some shaving cream. Some for Mari. Okay. This is what Mari's looks like. Some
Nice
for
look
Mia.
that. You have to mix it. That's
Right
it.
there.
Ooh, like this.
Let me put a little bit more on mine. Okay, so we got sticks.
You gotta mix
So
it.
we can mix them. Yours is almost there. Let's put more
Oh, yes.
soap.
Oh, it's bubbles!
I know. Okay, let's keep stirring.
Am I doing so hot?
I think mine is almost there.
Mine's not over there. Still got blue. Look, it's got bubbles in there. Hey, how? Woo! I got them.
Okay, I'm gonna stir it.
This is so slimy.
Okay.
Mine's look pink. No. Oh, mine. What? Okay, what fell through mine? Oh no, I got it on me. I got it. No, you're wasting it. Good, stop.
Maybe I need more glue
Do mommy glue?
or more shaving cream. I can't tell.
What is this?
Wait,
look,
Rayla.
Look, mommy, look.
I'm trying to stir it up.
Look, mommy, look. Mine looks gobbly. Gobbly. Mine's getting bigger and bigger, guys. What? No way. It's so...
Try more shaving cream. Try more shaving cream.
Mine is so slimy.
It's really gooey.
Mine's really glowy too. Why so many bugs over here? Stop killing me. Look at this. It's woolly. So woolly. I still...
Turning out good. Look
Mom,
at
can I
this.
touch mine, mommy?
I'm not sure if this is a mess or slime.
Can I touch mine, mommy?
So you guys comment down below and tell me tell me if I messed this up or not. Because this is not how it's supposed to look. Like, this is literally our first time making slime, and this is how it came out. This is how mine came out. Just like this. It looks like just a whole bunch of glue and shaving cream. That's it. How do we get it to make it that stretchy consistency? Because this is a mess.
They're not a mess, but they're so sticky.
This is all over the place, guys.
They're not a mess.
And yeah, she's a mess.
Okay, Mom, we can touch us now. Wait, I have to mix it more. Mix
This is
it.
a mess. So this is how our slime turned out, guys.
Time to touch mine. We need more of this.
Like this.
That's how it's gonna turn out.
This is how our slime turned out.
Touch us, Mom.
So show them how your slime turned out.
Okay.
Guys, this is how everyone's slime turned out. Just like this, a gooey mess.
Yeah.
No more slime for me. No more slime for me. I guess it's fun to play with, I guess, like this. But real slime doesn't look like this.
Woo!
This is completely messy.
Messy.
Messy, guys.
This is so
You guys rate us in the comments 1 to 10. 1 being the worst. It's everywhere. We're gonna go ahead and clean this up.
It's so gooey.
Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and end the video right here, guys. Make sure you like this video. Make sure you comment down below what is the correct way and the correct ingredients to make this slime, because obviously we don't know. Comment down below and let us know, because this is a mess.
This is a good mess.
But definitely subscribe to the channel, because I bet next time we're gonna make this slime right.
Yeah. Wow.
We'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.